pretty nice. Not that bad. But let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so I'm actually cutting it out, and look how perfect it comes out. So I'm gonna just keep cutting it out, and we're gonna put it on the tire, and we should be good. So let's see. This is how the exhaust looks. Got the white band sensor connected already. Just gonna put the bumper on and put the hole in the bumper, and we should be good. Final product. I painted it, but it got all scratched up. I had to use like a couple of longer screws because it wasn't fit. It wasn't like reaching over to the back because the exhaust is here, and the screws are short. But the quality of the shifter is amazing. Like look at this thing. This thing is amazing, guys. I went, got an steering wheel. I got the suede one. I know the suede's gonna get messed up like over time. Quick release is on. The horn doesn't work, but I always get my horn to work. Works, but it looks really freaking good, man.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Got the carbon fiber on. Look how crazy this shit looks together. Here it is, guys. You can't really see the camera, but here it is. Put it up first because as you guys can see, it's super dirty. So let me clean this up real quick. Alright, so you said in the middle is low?
Yeah.
Let me try it right here. Oh yeah, that gets way hotter than the subframe. Let's see if this works. Oh, it's definitely working.
Look like it worked.
Guys, this is what you call street build. Look at this. A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. All right, guys, there she goes. I'm gonna start sanding a little bit more.
When played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension of sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
You guys are gonna notice the difference. From here, it looks sort of like my old color, but it's not. It's literally that color. It's like a dark blue. So now that the hood is on the car, I gotta take it over to them. They're gonna wet sand. They're gonna wet sand it again. They're gonna buff it, do all that good stuff.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Going on, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to let you guys know that in the beginning of the video there was a lot of pictures because I didn't have YouTube at that time, so that was literally years ago. I've had my car for 7 years, and I just recently started going going in on it and really doing a lot of mods with, because I finally got my own space, as you guys can see right there. And when I lived before with my parents, I was just literally in the streets, and I should just do stuff like a homeless blog, so we really couldn't do much. So I use a lot of pictures in the beginning because that's, you know, what I have. I don't have videos. I don't have a YouTube. I couldn't really find all of the videos from the car now. If you guys want to see more of the car, you guys can just go back on my previous videos and see how my car came out. And I've done so much more to the car that I couldn't show because I couldn't find the clips or whatever, because I don't have everything on my computer. But yeah, from from throttle body, manifold, turbo kit, fuel pump, I don't know, suspension, wheels, seats, interior, like steering, everything. I've done everything to this car. And if you guys go back in my videos, you guys will see everything. So for all the new subscribers, yeah, that's have a 1998 Honda Civic B16 turbo, 300 horsepower. It's a 98 with converted to a 2000 front. For all the new viewers, Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Stay updated. I have so many more videos coming out. I have like a whole bunch of things that I got planned to be doing this week. I should be dropping about like another 2 videos. So yeah, have a lot planned, a lot stored for this car. I really wish I was able to find everything else so I can show you guys everything else I did, but the video will be literally like almost an hour long for so much that I've done to this car. This car literally was crashed, was painted. Everything on this car is literally completely changed. Nothing is the same. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. For you subscribers, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. Got a lot more videos coming out, guys. Peace and build to enjoy.
Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.